Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to clear message history on Viber. Maybe you want to delete your chat history on Viber to free up space or maintain privacy. So today I'm going to show you how to clear message history on Viber. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Viber application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on this more icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the Viber menu. From this menu, tap on Settings. In this Settings page, tap on Calls and Messages. Here, you can now see this Clear Message History option. Simply tap on it. A pop-up menu will appear asking if you really want to clear the chat history. Simply tap on Clear to confirm. After that, you now have successfully cleared the message history on Viber. The deleting process may take a few moments depending on the amount of data to be cleared. There you go. If you wanted to know how to clear message history on Viber, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to clear message history on Viber, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.